Brian here with you to look at this nice lot of early 20th century color images. These are probably mostly extracted from periodicals at the early part of the century, 1910 and 1520 range. This is beautiful. Frederick Richardson here. You can see why he was just so famous, and rightly so, for his beautiful Art Nouveau linearity there. Here's another wonderful, colorful image. And here we have a Howard Pyle, beautiful moody image of a man reading a book. Then we have a series of these fantastic covers of periodicals. We acquired them just like this, and so this is how we'll offer them. That's a wonderful one right there. And here, this is just beautiful right there. And the final one is this fantastic cover here. And so this lot of colorful images is available online from me, Brian DeMambro.